Hey y'all, Joe here coming at you Southern Coastal Cooking with my first meal of 2020. I really gave this a lot of thought and I really just had to pick something that I just absolutely love. And I tell you what y'all, I love me some gumbo and I don't make it nearly often enough. So I hope y'all enjoy this. I'm gonna make a quick gumbo here, quick for gumbo. You know, not one that takes 2 or 3 days to make. Chicken, sausage, some shrimp, maybe a little crawfish. Now, the normal thing you throw in gumbo, it's kind of just throwing in what I got around here, y'all. So, y'all hang with me here. We're going to make a real good gumbo. It's going to be Southern Coastal Cooking's first dish of 2020. Yeah, boy. Y'all just come on with me. Say this, I did prepare my roux beforehand. I'll put a link in the description box to show you my roux recipe, or I make a roux beforehand. It's a lot easier, okay? So here's where I got some frozen okra. I want to take the little, the little ones with those little stems on there. I don't want that junk. But get the other ones around here. We want to take some of this duck fat spray. It's the best you can get. And just kind of spray that okra down with that, okay? That duck fat, I put some on the bottom of the pan as well. We kind of push that around. And we're going to put this in the oven, 400-degree oven, for about, I think, 15 minutes. And we'll check it. That's the key to keep your okra from getting slimy in your gumbo. So while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and brown on some sausage. Got some andouille sausage busted up right here. I'm going to tell y'all what. This is the andouille I've been using for years, just in case I hadn't shown y'all. This is made by Country Pleasing right here in Mississippi. This stuff is amazing. This guy makes some of the best sausages in the world. I mean, I met the owner of the place, actually. And I buy this stuff up. I get it to Kroger's, but he sells it there at his shop too. But I mean, this stuff is outstanding. Any of his sausage products or meat products or something like that, but he's world renowned for his sausage. Country Pleasing. If y'all haven't tried it, give it a try. I put my stamp of approval on 100%. So we're gonna brown that sausage off. So if you look, the sausage is getting nice and browned down now. I'm getting a lot of that good grease oil out of the sausage. That's what we want. Move this here so y'all can see good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out on a paper towel and just let it just kind of drain. We'll put it back in later on, okay? Y'all can see down there, that's that flan left from the sausage, some of the oil too. I got some frozen Trinity, which is your onions, celery, green bell peppers. All right, that's what we're gonna do. We'll put that down in here. All right, and we're just gonna let that get happy with that oil and everything there. Get that starting to cook. Oh, it's so good. Let's season this up a little bit while these vegetables are cooking. You got some of my Justin Wilson's seasoning here, just the original. I thought I was out of it. I guess I have a little more left. Let's just add that. Kind of eyeball that. A couple of tablespoons of that, y'all. Oh yeah. Justin Wilson puts powerful flavor in. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Yeah, more flavor, less salt with this stuff, you know? A little more there. Can't hurt that. Alright, then we're going true with a little bit of onion. No, what was I saying? A little bit of garlic. A little minced garlic. You know what I'm saying? Just a little minced garlic, mix that in here. With a little bit of that water, cook more out of them vegetables. Just give you a heads up, I just took the okra out. I actually cooked it for about 20 minutes. And I put it on some foil so it wouldn't mess up the pan. But I'm gonna let this just cool, sit on the counter. Don't worry about it. You want it cooked. You know, just about all the water cooked out of these vegetables. I'm about to add the roux in a minute. I'll show y'all. Y'all, we about to add some roux straight from this old cast iron pot. I like to do, like I said, I pre-make all my roux most of the way. You get a little bit darker in here with the vegetables. And this is about a cup and a half of roux in this whole thing. I won't use it all, but it's always best you can save some for the time. But I tell you what, you pre-make your roux in a cast iron skillet like this. It is so much easier. I'm telling you what, y'all won't do it any other way. So anyway, got that going good. And that way you pre-make it, I can drain the oil off of it too at the end, and you don't have to do any of that, a bunch of that straining and everything. Let me get this roux off the side of the pot here, y'all. Excuse me. I'll just turn a real hard mess to clean up. We'll stir that in with the vegetables. Reach the light on down here. Y'all see what's going on.
See there? That'll help keep cooking the vegetables. Well, the smell right now, y'all, is absolutely outstanding. Okay? So you want to keep stirring this around quickly. Turn your heat down a little bit, medium low. Don't want to burn anything. That's just right there to get that final cook on that roux and the vegetables. All right, now we're about to come in with some broth. Next, use a seafood stock or a shrimp broth. Just kind of ease that down on in there. And, oh yeah. I'm putting about 32 ounces in here first. We'll stir around and go from there. See how everything thickens. Stuff like that. See what we need to do. It's beautiful looking gumbo with this broth in there. Make your own shrimp stock is the best, but you know what? You can use chicken stock if you want. I think seafood stock gives it the best flavor, in my opinion, with gumbos. But we're just going to stir that around a little bit. Kind of break everything up. See how it gets, bring it back up to a good, kind of a bubbling, not a boil, but just a good simmer. See what it looks like. All right, y'all. So, you see how it's kind of thickened up a little bit there? A little bit thicker than you want a gumbo. That's fine. Now I'm going to add some chicken stock to it. It's going to give it an extra layer of flavor, y'all. I think it'll be really nice. I'm going to put about a cup or so of chicken stock. We'll just stir that just like so. Bring that in there. And as we add the seafood and the other stuff, that'll release some more water, moisture into you. You got to remember, this is my big gumbo pot. I got to remember that. You know, I'm still, saying, oh man, I don't have that much liquid, but I do. It's a real big gumbo pot. So stir that in. I think that's really good. I'm going to start adding some of the stuff in here, and we'll just let it simmer. For instance, I think I can add, I'm going to add the shrimp in. No. I'm going to add some sausage. That sausage that we had, remember? The country pleasing andouille sausage. Go ahead over here. We'll add that back in at this point. Alright. That's going to do nothing but add flavor. Right there, just to the deep simmer. Alright, let me get some more stuff we can put in here. Here's some busted up chicken off a smoker from the other night. Just pulled it off the bone, white meat and dark meat mixed in. But that's the good stuff. Or you can get a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. Another good idea. But I just put this right in there. We'll stir that in. That's a lot of meat there. It's going to be real good. Alright, that thickened up real quick, so I'm going to add the last cup of that chicken stock. I'm going to add about 2 cups of water to it, y'all. Because that's, let me go, we need a little more liquid. About a cup there. We'll add that in there. Just let everything break loose, right? Turn this up to about medium-high heat. Bring it back up to a simmer. That's where we go with it. Alright, y'all, so this has been simmering here for about 30 minutes. Now I've got 2 pounds of peeled and deveined Gulf shrimp. Alright, see, those are the Gulf shrimp. Those aren't those Taiwanese things. So we got these here. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Stir that in there. Alright, that's my shrimp. Let those cook right there in that goodness. They'll probably be cooked here in about probably 10-15 minutes. Also going to put these okras back in there. Y'all, shrimp didn't take that long to cook, only about 5 minutes, and they're starting to turn pink. Now, I got a pound of Louisiana crawfish tails. Peeled Louisiana crawfish tails. Okay, we're going to stir those in. So here it is, and it looks absolutely amazing. Go ahead and turn it off. Don't want it to overcook my shrimp, my crawfish, anything in there. So let it sit here and just simmer down now. Off. We'll give it a try. Of course, it's always going to be better tomorrow. Y'all know who that is with the gumbos. We're going to try it tonight just to see. Go ahead, come over here with y'all. I'll make a little bowl here, and we'll just going to get some of all that goodness kind of bowl. We'll give this a try here in just a second, y'all, but looks fabulous. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and try it here.
Oh man, look at that. Look, I want y'all to see it. Look at that shrimp right there. That seafood gumbo, the crawfish, the chicken. It's all that loveliness right there. Of course, I'll put some in a pretty bowl tomorrow or something, take a picture. Andouille sausage, what you're pleasing. Just kind of get a bite that encompasses all this goodness, y'all. Maybe a piece of shrimp, piece of sausage, a little chicken. That's just heavenly. Absolutely amazing. Yep, great first video. I think first recipe. 2020 gumbo here. Thank y'all so much for watching, subbing my channel throughout the years. Y'all the reason I keep making these videos. Thank y'all so much. Please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless y'all. Have a good one. Ooh, we gonna get serving up some of this gumbo. Oh yeah.